Let's start installing VirtualBox. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to go out to the internet and you're going to go to virtualbox.org. And from there you'll be able to download the appropriate version of VirtualBox that you need. Once you get there, go ahead and select the download, and it will give you the different versions of VirtualBox. In this particular case, we're working with a Windows host, so select Windows, and it will go ahead and download that and pull it to your machine. You also want to get the VirtualBox extension pack. The extension pack adds extra features to the VirtualBox itself, including the ability to do USB and a couple other features that you wouldn't otherwise have available. So once completed, go ahead and go to your Downloads folder and go ahead and start to install VirtualBox. Now, on some occasions, you may run into an error where it's missing the C++ plugin or C++ framework. That usually occurs on newer machines that just don't have other applications there. So go ahead and go out to Google and search for Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 redistributable or newer, and go ahead and install that, and it will give the frameworks for the ability for VirtualBox to actually run on your Windows machine. Once that's complete, you'll be able to actually install VirtualBox. Now that that's downloaded, go ahead and go back to your Downloads folder and install the Visual C++ redistributable. And that will take a second or two for that to go ahead and complete its installation. Now that that's complete, we can go ahead and install VirtualBox now. It will be successful. Double click on VirtualBox, run through the install process, which will take a couple minutes. Accept the normal defaults. There's no reason to change anything. Now that that's complete, go ahead and hit finish. VirtualBox was started. So now the other thing we need to do is install the plugin itself or the extension pack. In order to install the extension pack, you click the three little dots there, and there's an option called Extensions, and then you click the Add button. By default, it'll go to your Downloads directory, and you'll be able to see the extension pack right there. Just click it and click Open, and it will install that feature for you. Once complete, you can go ahead and click the three little ellipses again and go back to the Welcome screen. And this actually completes the installation of VirtualBox. You'll be ready to actually create virtual machines and have them run on the environment, on this Windows environment that we have set up. Until next time.